Hey there! Experiencing issues with your Samsung Frame TV and not sure where to start? In this guide, we'll cover how to fix Samsung Frame TV with a step-by-step approach, ensuring you can enjoy your art and entertainment hassle-free. Step 1. Check the power supply. The first step in how to fix Samsung Frame TV is ensuring it's receiving power. Unplug the TV from the power outlet, wait for about 60 seconds, and then plug it back in. Make sure the power cable is securely connected to both the TV and the outlet. Power surges can sometimes cause temporary issues, and a simple power reset might solve the problem. Step 2. Inspect the One Connect box. If your Samsung Frame TV uses a One Connect box, ensure that all the cables are properly connected. The One Connect box acts as a central hub for HDMI and other connections. If cables are loose or disconnected, the TV may not function correctly. Check for any visible damage to the cables and replace them if necessary. Step 3. Update your TV's software. Sometimes outdated software can cause problems. Navigate to your TV's settings menu and look for a software update option. Keeping your TV's firmware up to date helps maintain performance and resolve any known bugs. If your TV isn't connecting to Wi-Fi, try connecting via an Ethernet cable or using a USB flash drive to manually install updates. Step 4. Perform a factory reset. If the problem persists, a factory reset might be necessary. A factory reset will erase all settings and restore the TV to its original state. Navigate to the settings menu, select Support, then Self-Diagnosis, and finally choose Reset. Make sure to back up any important data stored on your TV, as this process will delete all personal settings and installed apps. Step 5. Troubleshoot remote control issues. Sometimes the problem might be with your remote control rather than the TV itself. Replace the remote's batteries, ensuring they are properly installed. If the remote still doesn't work, try using the Samsung SmartThings app on your smartphone to control the TV, which will help identify if the remote or TV is at fault. Step 6. Contact Samsung support. If you've tried all these steps and your Samsung Frame TV still isn't functioning correctly, it might be time to contact Samsung support for further assistance. They might provide additional troubleshooting steps or suggest a professional repair service if a hardware issue is suspected. Understanding how to fix Samsung Frame TV can save you time and effort while ensuring an uninterrupted viewing experience. From checking power supplies and connections to updating software and resetting your TV, these steps can help address common issues. Always prioritize safety and consult professionals when in doubt. Enjoy your beautiful art-like viewing experience once your TV is back in action.